Ads for free content. It's how the internet has worked for decades. One of the greatest benefits of programmatic advertising is the ability to make those ads more relevant for your customers. But with third-party cookies going away, that's all about to change. Or is it? Today on the resource desk, 3 reasons the demise of third-party cookies is actually a good thing for advertisers, and how innovations in identity, like Unified ID 2.0, will make addressability more powerful than ever before. Yeah, I said it. The demise of third-party cookies is good for advertisers, but it requires a new way of thinking about addressability. Let's see what that means. The first reason, third-party cookies weren't built for today's demands. Want proof? Look no further than connected TV. It's the fastest growing digital channel, and it doesn't use cookies at all. The same goes for other emerging channels like digital out of home, and tomorrow's technologies will likely follow suit. Now, login-based identifiers like UID2 aren't a replacement for cookies. They're an entirely new approach to identity, helping marketers manage reach, frequency, and data usage across all channels, not just where third-party cookies are present, now and in the future. Second, digital advertising will become increasingly addressable. As third-party cookies go the way of the dodo, the internet will become inherently more consent-based, meaning more customers will opt into relationships with brands and publishers. And this increases the value of first-party data, which advertisers, publishers, and others can unleash to layer in more relevance and increase the value of every ad impression. But activating all this data successfully requires close coordination between platforms and partners. Cookies were never designed for this, but new identifiers such as UID2 are, helping you seamlessly connect publisher and first-party data without transferring any consumer data in that process. That means more powerful advertising with consumer privacy in mind. And lastly, new IDs can help you reach new customers. When it comes to reaching your existing audience, UID2 is already much more reliable than third-party cookies. But what about extending your reach beyond customers you already know? This new approach to identity can help you win there too. By modeling your own first-party data and working with additional data via UID2, you can begin building your audience to reach your next million customers. And that's why we continue to build on our modeling capabilities, giving you access to a broad range of signals for more consistent and reliable campaign targeting and measurement at scale. So there you have it, 3 reasons that pioneering advertisers are looking beyond cookies to create a new era in addressability. In our next video, 4 strategies for success in a post-cookie future. See you then.